Unhloso is preoccupied. They're eating dinner now. He's busy thinking he's not even touched his food. Ukhanya is even asking for a story. The next thing, he stands up, he dishes up that food for uMadlomo. Finds him dishing up and is like, how? Where's the food going? He lies saying that he wants to go take a walk, so he wants to give it to the homeless guy at the complex. How kanjani? And then it does the guys I wondered where our food is going because a lot of meals have been disappearing. Kanti uphakela uMadlomo, he lies saying that he's been dishing up for uThembelihle noNtuthuko. Athi why ungabathengeli grocery? It doesn't make sense that you are taking cooked food already. Get them groceries athi mhlambe ngizoyenza njalo. Jikijikile sikhaftini sihamba nama-fruits. ULinto is now concerned ukuthi hawu leli fruits litsona liyatsamaya. Ariya ngisho udinga ama-nutrition. Kanti umuntu odinga ama-nutrition uMadlomo akiri uMadlomo is pregnant. And now we find out Pila Madlomo is kept in the same building where Nhloso and Dinhle live. Upstairs in just some room that is abandoned. I don't know, they're keeping cleaning products or paints or something. Now Nhloso is keeping uMadlomo in the same building. The nerve. He goes to sue Madlomo. Kanti Madlomo is way ahead of Nhloso. Madlomo decided to go to uzomdlala ngayo Nhloso and make him believe that she wants to fix things. I like the way that you're taking care of me and the baby. Ngiyabonga meyiwe baba wengane zami. I have time to think and I realized ukuthi yazi ngisathe ngamawala. I was jealous of uDinhle. Ngabe senje ngaba involved nomthunzi. I should not have done that. But manje ngiyabona ukuthi yazini you are the only man for me. Usithanda senhliziyo yami. Angasamoyezela Nhloso thinking ukuthi uMadlomo means it. And then now Nhloso is happy saying ukuthi ngiyabonga Mkhabela. As Ambambe, as you can just see what he's happy. You want to see like a kidnap Madlomo is finally waking. Madlomo has come to his senses and now wants to fix things between them. Now Palmtoons is going up and down trying to find out the police finding uMadlomo or not because nothing is happening. The detective is furious saying we stop doing our job, Maiza, let us do our job. But Umtoons wants them to check if maybe Zero's family has anything to do with Madlomo's disappearance. But detective says, please let us do our job, Detective Maiza. Knowing Detective Maiza is not going to stop. He's going to dig until he finds uMadlomo. And then, Nhloso again. He is softened up now. Now he wants them to take a walk, no Madlomo. Madlomo is excited, thinking that they're going to go outside in the building. And then she suggests, I think, so what plan do you have for us to leave, la? And then he starts saying he's still thinking about it. He would use Dinhle's car, but it has a tracker. At imagine that. Why? How about Egamalomi Frame? So let's think about it. I don't know if they want to run away and go emakhaya yini. Now Nhloso shoot Dinhle because he's a married man now. What about the kids? UNtuthuko noLihle? Nhloso is not thinking this whole thing through. The next thing is just exciting. Umadlomo will be away from Tunzi, and that's enough for him to keep him going. And then Umadlomo motivates him, saying, I believe in you, I know you're going to come up with a solution to make us disappear. I believe in you, I trust you. Manje, she offers to give him a massage because it's like, she's like, you look tired, tense, man. Let me take care of you like you've been taking care of me. He sits down, sending messages, are you not having lunch, Nana? Akasa Arabi as usual, because he just vanishes, goes AWOL. Madlomo massages him and says, there's a key at the door. There's a chance to run away, but maybe not because obviously she cannot outrun Nhloso. But now that he's softening up, he's even leaving the key at the door, so he's getting more relaxed now. And then uThalita is taken to prison and she gets welcomed in yellow overalls. She gets welcomed by lustful women who are waiting for her, going, makoti, wafiku makoti, and all that, and says, it's like already Nemami maids. Why is it Talita? I wonder which side of her she's going to bring to fight these ladies off, because you can just say they're going to give her a hard time. Divert is so worried that she wants to take Utsidi to a specialist. Utsidi does not want to go there. He has even come up with diet plans and meal plans. Utsidi comes out with a plan to stop Divert from taking her there, saying, I'm already suffering, I don't have enough time and I cannot be saved. Please don't waste your money. Save your money for your retirement. I just want us to spend the last days together. Divert was like, it's fine, we don't have to go. Because how are you getting so emotional over a lie, huh? How come, Matle? Debate is going on and trying to offer support. And now, Tlhoge takes a smoothie to Bridget, saying, like she's extending an olive branch because Bridget has been mad at her for what Tukulo did. And she did not know anything. But then, because of previous incidents, she thought, well, even if she knew, she wouldn't have told her. But Tukulo ended up leaving Victor to die after the seizure. Now, Bridget is like, you know what? Because Tlhoge said, I value our friendship and I don't want it to end. I don't want to fight. Bridget is like, I think we've outgrown each other. How are they outgrowing each other? And says that she wants nothing to do with the Sindanes. But Tlhoge's like, you know what? I'll always be there. So Nhloso has decided to come up with a plan to get money to run away with Umadlomo. He borrows 80k from Dintle, saying that he wants to pay for Litle's varsity fees, saying that he wants to do something to cheer her up because seloke muncu since umawakhe lahlekile. Kanti cha, he wants to use that money for his escape plan. Dintle says, no, busa Lihle arumele student number so I can pay directly to the university. She also got really mad because I said, no, send it to me. You want people to know that you borrowed me money. The money is from you. I said, I'm going to pay you in Jane. It's like, but why would I send the money to you and then you send to the university? I want to like, give me I also got really mad as if he didn't want to. I think it was a mistake borrowing money from you. It was a mistake. You should just tell me if you don't want. She just decided, let me just send the 80k to you. I'm too mad like 80k. Except when she woke up, Unhloso has already left trying to plan his escape. No Madlomo. He's already looking for a car, telling Madlomo things are working out. I just need to get the car so we can drive straight home. Unhloso is planning that they leave Joburg and go back emakhaya nomadlomo and live happily ever after bashiye uDintle la eGoli nabantwana kanjani. And then umadlomo reminds her ukuthi yazi uDintle uzovuka ngekudala kanti vele uDintle is already up. He still ties her up because he doesn't trust that uzohlala engaphumi. uDintle is out there looking for Nhloso town. Nhloso kuphi? Nhloso is coming from upstairs. Now she's wondering, up there? What do you do? What's up there? He lies saying, I wanted to get some air. Mara up there. I wanted some fresh air and the view is nice from the top. But close. Now Dintle realizes something is off la. But then doesn't say anything. Unhloso then brushes it off saying that he needs to go to work. And then Mthunzi is feeling down shame. He misses Madlomo. The kids can even see how what's wrong, Baba Mngane. He's got a headache. And he's going to realize when he opens the medication drawer that Madlomo's medication is missing. Thethwe yini. Olihle is like, no man, we didn't take it. Now Mthunzi is starting to think how the last time I saw Nhloso opening the drawers and asked him and he said, do I need to ask permission from you when I need water? Kanti now Mthunzi uyabona ukuthi should means Nhloso is the one that took the tablets. Now Mthunzi puts 1 and 2 together and realizes Nhloso is behind the kidnapping. Goes around looking for Nhloso. Nhloso is nowhere to be found at eThembeni. And he decides to borrow a friend's car, so that he can tail Nhloso. Nhloso is happy because he managed to get a car. So excited, saying that they must pick up bazokwazi ukuhamba. Umadlomo realizes if they leave la, what's going to happen? Because manje sebafuna ukuhamba. Nhloso is so excited and says they must start packing. Madlomo sees the door open and tries to escape. Nhloso athi uzama ukwenzani Madlomo, You want to go back to boyfriend wakho Umthunzi? He got really mad. Madlomo was like, no, I just wanted some air, blah, blah, blah. But Nhloso realized ukuthi menza isimo athi yakubona when you want to run away, uhambe uye kumthunzi, you're making me a fool. He got so annoyed, he even yelled at her. He was just snapping at her like that, saying yazini umuntu wakho lo uzophindela etrongweni. He was so mad, and even now he's even now hitting uMadlomo because umbopha ngenkani. Umadlomo is trying to say, please don't involve him. Mege, this is between you and mina nawe, but this is making Nhloso even more angry because it shows ukuthi uMadlomo cares about Mthunzi. Mthunzi ngapha is telling Nhloso, avela mbopha mshiya, now he's out eThembeni fetching uDintle noKhanya. Mthunzi is telling him, amsale emuva ke, uDintle is asking ukuthi, I'm sure Lihle was happy but it's the tuition fees. Nhloso agrees, saying, yes, this is the first time I've ever seen Lihle happy after the whole kidnapping thing. Kanti is lying. The money was used to buy a car for his escape nomadlomo. Umthunzi is now following Nhloso, watches him get into their building and waits outside. Yeah, Shubala. Now Kiribon is now worried, Ugasa is now worried about Tshidi, and Ugasa is supposed to worry about Divet, not Tshidi. Ukiribon is now getting jealous with man, when this thing you need to stop it, because if you keep on lying, because now Tshidi wants to pay a doctor to keep on lying about this whole thing. Are Kiribon, why if you keep lying, you have to cover up a lie with another lie, it never ends. But she doesn't learn. And then Talita, but she finally gets Nina Bishop to represent her, and she's got a strategy, because Nina Bishop is good and says is going to claim that Talita had a mental breakdown. She's a victim because her ex-husband put her through hell, took everything away from her, kicked her out of her home. So she's not mentally fit. Umthunzi did a good job, hey, following Unhloso around and even parking outside their apartment to see ukuthi uyaphi. Only to realize ukuthi Unhloso was not going anywhere, akahamba kayiphuma building. And then the kids phone him, ukuthi we're worried about you, Baba Mncane. Where are you? You didn't come home, kwenzakalani? He tells them that I think your dad kidnapped your mom because he's been like akaphumanga building. But Spider, why will he do that? I know you guys have beef, but he wouldn't kidnap Uma. Hi, Mthunzi keeps on following him. Uyamuzwa ukuthi he's going to meet up someone. Unhloso sees uLihle and tells her ukuthi kuzolunga, don't worry, and all that. Uma wakho, you need to have faith ukuthi uma wakho uzoba right. Mthunzi is still following him. Lihle goes to see Lihle, telling her ukuthi I'm sorry about your mom, you must be happy about your school fees being paid up for the whole year. Lihle is like, how? But most papa ubuditse and you were happy at how? Uthi umjweditse kanjani, because ubaba benginaye, I was with him today. He didn't mention any school fees, and yesterday I was not with him. Ulihle is now short with how ulihle ukhuluma ngani, and tries phoning him. Unhloso doesn't pick up as usual, and then Unhloso gets a phone call from umkhulu wakhe, Madlomo's father. Madlomo's dad is like, what's going on? I'm seeing on social media that your mom has been kidnapped. Now they're short with how Unhloso said he told them, Jay. Now they're worried because why did he lie? At for the same reason he stole your mother's medication. I think unayo mawako. Now Ulihle comes back and tells them, as I was with Ubaba and it was extremely strange. Now Dintle says that he paid for my fees. In University Basi, they did not get any payment. Umthunzi is like, you know what? I think I know what he did with the money. He bought a car. I saw him giving some man an envelope and he gave him money. They decide to go to Dintle's apartment to look for him. Let me call the police. You can't just raid my house. But we think Ubaba is the one that took Uma. That's wrong. Why are you accusing him of kidnapping your mom? After everything that he's been doing for you, he's been cooking for you, spending time with you. But Ubaba kazanga spend his nathi. He never even brought us food. Because now she's wondering, where was the food going? Now Dintle is starting to realize, where is Unhloso? Dintle then starts to think, if Unhloso has not been cooking for the kids and spending time with them, and that day he saw him coming from upstairs saying that he was getting some fresh air, wanted to see the view from the top, who did they realize? Because I think I know where Umadlomo is. And then she takes them upstairs. They get to the room where Unhloso has been keeping Madlomo. The ones Hloso has been taking. Lihle says, this is my mom's hair. How Uma wear lapha, but now she's not here anymore. And they're now outside in the car. Umadlomo is busy begging Unhloso, please, can I please see my kids? Just say goodbye to my kids before Samba. Unhloso aqasuka athi, hayi, unamango, you want to see Umthunzi. The kids come. They show up busy looking for Madlomo. And then Umadlomo starts screaming, Tutuko, they see them. As they start screaming, they stand in front of the car. Baba Mvulele, please let her go. Get out of the car. Kasa, get out of the car. Unhloso qasuka, say wena thula wena. Unhloso is caught red-handed by his own kids after comforting them for so long, pretending to be Uzwelana Nabagan is the one that took their mom. Untutu will never forgive Hloso for this, hey? And already but now kidnapping their mother and pretending as if he doesn't know. This time around he is really messed up. Hey, they beg him, please let Ma go. Umadlomo, please, can you see what you're doing to the kids? Vule man, let me go. Hi. Tori Soliana drops a bomb with Tapelo with you and a bishop to represent Mama. Arishwang, why would you do that? Mama deserves to be there. And in Gasam Tlohela, I won't just let Mama rot in prison. I had to help her. Tabs are right again, Magoda to well. It's your money. You do what you want. Torres is like, no, what's it? This whole thing, Neki fault here, Papa. Papa Kiena, at Mama, the divorce thing really hurt her. So Papa is to be blamed. As once again, this is going to backfire. And when it does, I'm going to tell you what I told you so. Nina Bishop then brings the phone that Talita asked for. Kanzi, she wants to phone Utiro like she anticipated. She phones Tiro and tells him that, yo, Manaka, I've been arrested, and Ekitapelo that got me arrested. Hey, Tiro was furious. I writes King Mama, please don't worry, Mom. Leave Tapelo to me. I'm going to deal with him. I'm going to come up with a plan because Utanta is saying, yo, these people are Bantwenya. I need to get out of here. So Untloso was just resisting to open the doors and let Madlomo go. After a bit of a hassle, she finally switched off the car and let Madlomo go. The kids, Nomtuns, were waiting outside to welcome her. They were just so relieved to see her fine and well in one piece. Untloso was just defeated with his plan didn't work because in his mind everything was working out. They were already driving by Makaya. Udintle comes, shows up and sees this whole thing unfold. The look on her face when he saw Untloso Guti, he is the one that has been keeping Umadlomo, the man that he married, the man that he's been living with, in the house at busy in Umadlomo upstairs. Now Umadlomo does not want to press charges. Umtunzi wants her to call the police and tell them what happened. But Umadlomo thinks that Untloso needs help and Agazambwana nje, this is unlike him. Umtunzi does not understand because how do you defend someone that has put you through so much? Doesn't make sense to me. Wenzakalan Umadlomo, is she, one would say that probably she still loves Untloso, but I think it's just because Untloso is the father of her kids. And sending him in prison like that, after seeing how vulnerable he was in there, and you can just see everything that he's doing, it's not like he was in his right mind. And the detective comes wanting a statement to Madlomo. Madlomo is not willing to talk, saying that can they let her be discharged first from hospital and go home and so they can talk about this. The detective was insisting, but Mtunzi then intervened and said, no, Amiege, Alula Mekal, and then you can talk to her. Urindle is powerless. Umhloso ngathunelwe imvula. He's just sitting there, not even saying anything. Akakhulumi. Ubaba omncane usefikile naye. Oh, they try to talk to him. He's not saying anything. Ngathi akusiyena that has been up and down, busy cooking food and taking food to Madlomo, busy Madlomo. Now he's just sitting there defeated. Ngathunelwe imvula. Ubaba omncane is even calling his mother to come to Joburg so he can intervene because ubatshela nokuthi Umhloso is the one ubekade ethumbe uMadlomo. The kids are disappointed, feeling good how can Ubaba do this to you while he was busy comforting us, acting as if siktandazanaye, acting as if Magazilutobal. All this time he had you the whole stage. And even worse, he even blamed Umtunzi for it, saying Ubaba Mtunzi is the one that kidnapped you. Can't we all this time? Untutuko even apologized to Mtunzi for doubting you. Because they were starting to put doubts in their minds, even the detective, when the Untloso was starting to say they should look into Mtunzi. Now Ulihle wants to know, so what's going to happen to Ubaba after everything that has happened? Umadlomo knows she does not want to press charges, probably doing it for the kids, because we have one who see if Ubaba goes back to jail, they will not be fine. Umtunzi says Uzi does not understand Uzi. After everything Untloso I'm following you and Umadlomo, she is still protecting him. Now, Ulihle wants to know what's going to happen to Baba. Umadlomo tells him this is focused on me getting better and us being back together as a family. Yo, Umadlomo. This is hurting Tunes. It's probably thinking Umadlomo sometimes I won't close, but I don't think that's the case. It's just Umadlomo has a good heart and wouldn't want to see Untloso in prison for the sake of the kids. When Nina Bishop goes to see Talita in prison, and Talita says that she wants cash. Nina is busy pushing for her psychological evaluation. Talita wants to get out of there because Bambuka in there. Babizwe Shaya, also because of her status. They know she's Talita Mora. Her family has money, so they want money. Now she wants them to smuggle money inside. Nina Bishop is like, nope, no, I'm not risking my license for you. And then speaks to Tori. So Tori must now smuggle money into prison so that her mom can be saved or her mom can be protected. Tori is like, but isn't that illegal? As yeah, it is. So what's going to happen if I get caught? Onina didn't hesitate and told her that then I will have another More as a client. But Torres was still willing to go through with it. Poet found her busy counting money. Poet was so against the idea, saying, you're willing to risk your freedom. Your mom isn't there because she broke the law. she deserves to be in there. Same thing Tapelo was saying, but Utoriso says that her mom has no one else. She has to help her. Otherwise, no one else will. Hanti in there, Utarite is still getting beaten. There's some warden saves her from another attack, and she misinterprets the information, the gesture, and tries to speak to the warden to help her smuggle the money inside there. Warden was like, "What are you asking me? Are you trying to bribe me? Are you trying to bring in illegal things in here?" She was so disappointed because she thought Uwaden would want to get paid because she's a Moro, they have money, and help her smuggle things. Why would she want to risk her job for some prisoner she does not even know? Now Udivet has decided that is going to go skydiving, TD, because Ukidiboni said that she would like to do some adventure stuff. But Ted is like, no, I don't want to do adventure. Now she's going to blame Ukidi, saying, why would you do this to me? Instead of suggesting maspa dates, a romantic trip, shopping sprees, you suggest skydiving. When I panicked, I did not know what to say. Ebila, I did not even mention skydiving. I just said adventure. And your man is the one that came up with the whole skydiving thing. You just need to tell him the truth and stop this whole thing that you're doing. uMadloma is trying so hard to convince the kids ukuthi ubaba was not a bad person. Lezi zinto bekade ezenza, it was like bekungasiyena, like something else was just weighing over him. Like usindele, there's a lot going on. Untuthu was like, as long as you've thought your decision through, angenalo umthunzi kathi yazini i-priority yami nje, it's your mom, you guys, and then born baby. Okunye nokunye man, leave it to the adults. Ngeke simbophise ubabeni, we'll find a way to lie to the police. Udinhle is feeling bad, but how come she missed all the signs? Closo has been disappearing, ignoring calls, but she didn't see anything. Ugas was like, hey, you are not alone. I did not say anything. It means he knew exactly what he was doing. Tunze and Tutu come over to tell Udinhle that they're not going to report Untloso to the police. They're going to find a way to lie about it and they just want it to be kept in the family. And they're not doing this for Untloso, okay? They're doing it for the kids because Uthembelihle no Tutu, they've been through a lot with this whole thing. So nje abafuna ukuqhubeka bababhizi beqendezele. Now, Udinhle says, oh, you're doing this for what again? Funani, what are we going to do? Abangeke umamnqantu makahloso athi umthunzi, we don't want anything. Umahloso then decides that he's going to take Untloso back to KZN azomnakekele. But Udinhle is like, nope, I refuse. Na as Msadwa High, I'm going to nurse him back to a good state. Udulana mo in his house. Now Ntuthuka is like, nayibona ke, hayi mina ngisayingena, I'm just keeping out of this whole thing. Because Udinhle wants Untloso to stay in Joburg while Umawake wanted to take him to KZN. Now Obamncane is begging to make sure that this thing of not reporting Untloso stays the same. And then Tutuko Wesambela, like he's by levels, realizes the boys are having a young chillers A-levels. Bambiza ke abajoin Untutuko Shem has stopped drinking. Remember this whole thing ukuthi yena shayi wafana ngebhodlela. But they say, no pressure, boy, you can just chill with us even if you're not drinking. He then chills, guys, sees another girl who's just sitting there by herself. But also decides, let's go approach this girl, man. She seems like she's not fine. They talk to her until she's been fighting with her boyfriend and so forth. And then they decide to invite the girl over to their table so they can chill with her. Now Ntombazana is convincing Untutuko to drink. Untutuko keeps telling her, no man, angisaphuzi, tshwala nje abusangiqhaza anymore. Probably didn't want to get divulged in all the information. But Ntombazana is like, no man, alcohol won't kill you. Just one for me, do it for me. Kanjani engakwazi nokwazi Ntombazana ndini nenkinga zama-boyfriend wakho. Untutuko falls into the trap and ends up taking the alcohol. After I worked so hard to stay away from alcohol, I feel so bad, man. I doesn't blame Untloso for all these things that Untutuko is now finding himself in this kind of situations. And then Utalitage manages to convince the warden to help her and smuggle money in jail. And as I ugel ukuthi her services don't come cheap. Atuthalisa, don't worry, imali khona, tšhelete e teng, I promise you, kitla Tota, I'll really thank you. Now she phones to Teresa saying, I've arranged everything for your trip to the thingy, how you're going to bring money and all that. Teresa's like, because she's saying, I've arranged with the warden and so forth. Teresa's like, but mom, I'm blind. How will I know this is the person that I'm supposed to give the money to? Baba, when Toriso, now she's snapping. When Toriso, since when has been blind and stopped you from doing what you want to do? Now she realizes her, she's snapping at her and tries to calm her down. Toriso is busy saying, Mama Claire, I'm sorry, I cannot do this. I'll continue sending the money that I always send to the card, but Ayo Anaya illegal Kasayir. Finally, Poet spoke some sense into Toriso and she's deciding otherwise not to do it because why must Toriso risk her life for Mama Haya who committed crime willingly? And then Ephraim decides to tell Tiri she can stop working and focus on her illness. Tiri at first was happy, thinking it's just leave in jail, paid leave in jail, right? Cool. So Handbari, yeah, you are getting a replacement. That what? Kisha pooping at work actually eases the pain. And then she goes to talk to Tivet saying why do you speak to Ephraim Hora and Simon Miracle? I cannot stop working. I need my salary. Tivet, I'm gonna look after you. Chiki Tivet to arrange some romantic spa treatment for United City. City is so happy. Finally, Tivet is arranging something that she actually agrees with. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.